Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL Tune 660 noise cancellation with the two devices at the same time. So this function is called the multi-point connection, and we can basically plug this device to the two devices at the same time. So first of all, I'm going to perform the reset of the earbuds to get rid of both connections. So I have to click and hold these two buttons and wait until indicators disappear. Yeah, right now release. And what I have to do next, just remove them from this list on the both devices. Restart the Bluetooth on the iPhone. Right now turn it on back. And first let's start and connect this headphones with this iPhone. Oh, I just misclicked right here. I don't really want to do this right now. But as you can see, I just basically misclicked. So let's disconnect and let's forget. Right now, to activate the multi-point connection, you have to click and hold the volume up button and the play button together until this indicator starts blinking. There we go. Right now on the second device, also go to the pair new device, select from the list, accept the pairing. As you can see right now we are connected, and on this first device you have to just click one more time on your currently connection, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected, and on the both devices they are activated. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.